Hi guys, so we have reached the Kempegowda International Airport Terminal 2. As you can see, we are heading to our counter. So we have a layover in Bangkok for 1.5 hours almost, and then we have a flight from there again to Hong Kong. Let us quickly check in our luggage, and I will see you later. Hi guys, so we got done with everything, dropping in our luggage, immigration and security check. We are 3 hours before our flight. Someone's super happy, I'm not. I like to be late always and he always likes to be early. So we're gonna kill some time in duty free.
On time.
Yeah, whatevs. Hi guys, good morning. So we have landed in Bangkok and we are going to our next connecting flight to Hong Kong. We have a layer of we have a layer. We are very sleepy and very tired. I think you know that by now. We have a layover of just 1 hour, so that's good. But we are so tired. Also, since we are just transiting through Bangkok, you don't need to fill the TDAC form of Bangkok. Hi guys, so we are done with the security check. We are waiting to board. It's just another 15 minutes to board. So honestly, our layover was for 1.5 hours, but once your flight lands and you get out of the flight, there's hardly any time left. So we just made it in time. Bhook lagi hai, so we bought croissant, butter croissant, because I have a feeling we're going to sleep in this flight also since we're super tired. So yeah, let's see you in the next flight. Guys, so we're going to speak about PAR for a minute or two. It's a pre-arrival registration form that you need to fill before coming to Hong Kong. There is no visa for Hong Kong. You just have to fill that form. It is not rocket science. I know you'll see a lot of reels and videos कि reject हुआ है. Obviously, अगर आप गलत field में गलत चीज़ भरोगे तो obviously reject होगा. We didn't do anything. We didn't see any video. We just went to the PAR form. We filled the exact details what's there in our passport. No changes at all. If it says Bengaluru, you have to put Bengaluru and not just Bengaluru. And you will get to know immediately whether your PAR is accepted or not. So it shows successful or unsuccessful. And one more point to remember is, guys, you need the hard copy of the PAR. Soft copy will not suffice. You need a hard copy as well. If you still have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below so we can help you out. Apart from that, I think Hong Kong travel is quite smooth, at least till now. So yeah, let's see what happens. Guys, we have to take a train and go to the immigration center. Like, how cool is this? We just came out of our flight and going for immigration now, taking a train to go. Hi guys, so we just finished the immigration. Aniket and stuff are still there. It was a smooth process. They asked for the hard copy of the PAR, so please bring the hard copy of the PAR. Now I am here going to collect the luggage. Guys, so we just got our octopus card from the airport. It was for $170 each, in which 42 is non-refundable and 128 you can use for your transport, and you can keep recharging this card whenever you want. So guys, that famous cat of the Hong Kong airport is still here. It's not gone. Let me show you guys. And guys, I think this is a rule in all countries. When you're on the travelator or escalator, always stand on the right and leave the left place empty for people who are in a hurry to go. I mean, it's just basic civic sense. Guys, so we are sitting in the metro now. We've kept our luggage in the front. This is the Airport Express, and we are going to get down at the Hong Kong stop. 3 stops to go, and then change from there and take another metro. Hi guys, so it costed us $120 to reach the Hong Kong station, so we're recharging our card here at the add value machine. Hi guys, so finally we have reached our room. So the check-in was at 3 o'clock. We reached at around 1:45 and they let us check in, which was very sweet. We are exhausted. We are now going to Din Tai Fung for lunch. We go to Din Tai Fung everywhere we travel. So let's go. Hi guys, good evening from Hong Kong. So after a great, no same. So after a great lunch at Din Tai Fung, which I didn't vlog because we were so hungry.
It was amazing, guys.
We were so damn hungry. We finally ate heart full, went to the room, relaxed for a bit, did some souvenir shopping. Again, I did not vlog shit. I don't know why. I was too excited, I guess, to see stuff. But I have uploaded some of the souvenir thingy on my Instagram, so you can go check there. Anyway, we are out now and we are heading towards the Symphony of Lights and Avenue of Stars. So we're obviously using Google Maps here. So far so good. Let's see. Guys, so we have reached Avenue of Stars. The skyline here is just
Crazy.
just
Crazy.
Let me show you. Hi guys, sorry my mic is inside because it started raining, so we had to keep the mic inside and open the umbrellas. So we are just heading back from Symphony of Lights. Honestly,
guys.
you can skip it. It's nothing at all. It's just some few lights on the building, like you saw. Like you can just go for the view, for the skyline. It's amazing, but Symphony of Lights is honestly nah. Hi guys, so we just got back to our room and we're gonna have some nice Kit Kat ice cream, which we had a lot in Malaysia. So that was our day one. I think we did quite a lot for day one. My legs are hurting. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also you can find more details on my Instagram page.